I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a practice question for you to state restrictions of the given rational function. Now you can copy the question, write down the restrictions, and then move on to the next video. The question is state restrictions for. You need not simplify, but as an additional practice you can. Okay, let's work on it. The first one is minus 2x over x squared plus 1 times x plus 2 over x squared minus 4. The second one is 1 over 2x plus 3 plus 1 over x squared minus x. It is a good practice to factor the denominator, then it becomes very clear what are the restrictions. So let me factor this. Okay, so I'm not simplifying, I'm just factoring the denominator, since denominator should not be 0. Now x squared plus 1 cannot be factored, right? So it remains x squared plus 1. However, the second term, which is x squared minus 4, could be written as x plus 2 times x minus 2. Right? Now you see clearly that the restrictions are that x cannot be equal to plus 2 and minus 2. So these are the restrictions. X squared plus 1 is always positive, it can never be 0. So that does not lead to any restriction. Well, you could equate x squared minus 1 to 0 and then write your answer. For example, if you say x squared minus 1 equals to 0, we get x squared equals to 4, x equals to plus minus square root of 4, which is plus minus 2, and so you get the same restriction, correct? So it could be done like that also, but I prefer factoring. Okay, now let's do the next one. Here again let us factor. So we have 1 over 2x plus 3 plus, how do you factor this one? X is common, that is kind of very important, and you get x minus 1. Now you can write down the restrictions, and the restrictions are that x is not equal to, here 2x minus 3 cannot be 0, right? You have to write like this: 2x plus 3 is not equal to 0, 2x is not equal to minus 3, or x is not equal to minus 3 over 2. So you get the first restriction, not equals to minus 3 over 2. Now you can say x is not equal to 0, and x minus 1 not equal to 0 gives that x cannot be equal to 1. If I put 1 here, 1 minus 1 is 0. So these are the restrictions for this second expression. So follow these steps to write restrictions for your rational functions. I hope that helps. Thank you.